Hey everyone, so I am installing this 5x5 lace closure wig by Luvme Hair. They sent me their curtain bang unit, so it already comes with curtain bangs already layered in. And so I'm gonna kind of just show y'all how I install just the lace part and then how I kind of just do the bangs, and then I'm obviously gonna have this curled up for the review portion. So Luvme Hair sent me this curtain bang 5x5 lace closure wig. I showed you guys kind of at the beginning how I kind of installed the lace part. The lace is actually a really nice fine HD lace, so it's really easy to make sure that everything looks really natural on the scalp. All I ended up using was got to be glued and a little bit of powder on the part area. I'm gonna show you guys kind of up close without messing up my bangs how that kind of looks. I just did a little bit of baby hair on the side. This is where the lace closure ends. And it's got a little flap right here that kind of goes over your sideburns. So it's easy to like hide your actual hair without you needing at least a 13x4 lace front unit. But yeah, this is how the bangs kind of lay and style it. There we go. But yeah, basically I curled this after just to style for the video itself. It does come kind of layered, and I think this is a 16-inch. I'm gonna go into the specs of this unit for you guys and let y'all know what the pricing is going to be and all of that. But they did give me a little scarf, a little brush for my edges, and a wig cap. This wig also does come with an elastic band already sewed in, so it's super easy to kind of just throw on your head. This is a really good wig to just grab and go without having to do too much. It also is glueless. I'm gonna kind of show you how you can just lift it up and then put it back down. It's super easy. Again, you don't have to do too much to this wig. It literally does everything on its own. It also keeps a really good curl. I only curled this once. I don't have hairspray, so I didn't even use any hairspray on this unit. The length is also adorable. I did have to cut the bangs just a little bit, maybe like this much, maybe like half an inch, because it already kind of comes in like that curtain bang type of style. So it's already pre-layered for you. Usually I've in the past done my own curtain bangs, which is kind of a lot harder, and I know for people that want beginner friendly units don't want to have to cut their own wigs themselves, because I know how intimidating that can be. But yeah, so you're already kind of getting that with this wig. Again, you don't have as much surface area to have to pin down either. It's just the 5x5 lace. It also goes back a good 4 to 5 inches. So it stops right here. It's where like the tracks start. So you're given enough room to make sure that everything kind of lays flat. My braids personally are extremely flat underneath it, so I don't have to worry about too much lifting. So with my 5x5 closures, I always make sure that everything is completely flat underneath. Like I don't need anything lifting up more than it already needs to. I know that 13x4 units usually lay a lot flatter, but this does the job and it still looks cute. I'm sorry, this is a 4x4 closure. It's not 5x5. And then this is also 18 inches and it's going to be $239.90. And again, this is a glueless body wave wig with curtain bangs. Again, the first time I tried to straighten this, you could still see there's like a slight wave because it's a body wave wig. So the best way to style this wig is honestly to just keep it in curls and you're good to go. And it's got a really cute fringe. This is kind of how the picture is looking, and this is how I kind of replicated this look. I don't know if y'all can see that, but that's kind of how I did it. I wanted to do the same thing. They also take Afterpay, so you can split it up into 4 different payments and pay $60 each every 2 weeks. And yeah, if they also have any codes as well for this wig, I will show you guys on the screen. This is how the wig is looking. This is how the wig is looking from the side. How the wig is looking from this side. Look, and then this is how everything is looking from the back. I don't necessarily know what the density is for this wig, but it's a pretty, oh, it's 150% density, and it's got adjustable straps, 4 different combs, and this is an average cap size, so 22.5 inches, and it lasts for at least a year or more, but this is a 4x4 lace closure, so it kind of just stops at the temples of my head. I thought it was a 5x5, but I'm gonna put it on the screen for exactly what that is for you guys. And yeah, that's pretty much all that I have to say for this wig. For the review portion, I feel like Luvme Hair's units are always extremely soft, and they're also known for their glueless units, so you can literally lift it and put it back on and it still looks extremely natural for their lace. This is a fairly new company that I know of, and honestly, I've worked with them for a few times. I actually like their wigs. Hair quality is great, lace is great, and I feel like they're really building up their reputation for them being affordable but also high quality. So go ahead and check them out. I'm gonna go ahead and put the link to this unit down below for you guys to go ahead and check out. Again, it's Luvme Hair. And I think that's it, and I'm gonna go ahead and take some intro shots. You guys have a good night, and I will talk to you. All right guys, have a good day. I will talk to you later. Bye.